When comparing Cloudways and Hostinger for cloud hosting, you might be wondering which one is truly the best. Both are strong contenders in the cloud hosting space, but after diving deep into both, I'll walk you through what sets them apart and where they fall short. Stick around till the end, as I'll reveal a better alternative that offers great value and might just suit your needs even better. First, let's look at performance and speed. Cloudways uses cloud infrastructure from top providers like AWS, DigitalOcean, and Google Cloud. This means you're getting premium hosting performance, but it can also be pricier than some alternatives. On the other hand, Hostinger offers its own cloud infrastructure with lower entry costs. While Hostinger is reliable, it doesn't quite match the high-tier performance of Cloudways in terms of flexibility and customization. Next thing, ease of use. Hostinger has a user-friendly interface with its own custom control panel designed to make things easy for beginners. Setting up websites is pretty straightforward, and they offer managed WordPress hosting. Cloudways, on the other hand, gives you access to a broader range of cloud services, but it might be overwhelming for those unfamiliar with cloud management. They've simplified things, but if you're not experienced, it could take some time to adjust. The pricing models are another important consideration. Hostinger is known for its low-cost hosting options, especially with their cloud hosting starting at around $9 per month. But if you need high performance or premium features, you'll find those prices quickly rising. Cloudways pricing is more complex since it's based on the cloud provider you choose, and you pay as you go, which could be more cost-effective for people scaling up, but also more unpredictable in terms of monthly costs. Fourth thing, support. Hostinger offers 24/7 support through live chat and has a solid reputation for responsive service. Cloudways also offers 24/7 support, but the difference is that they specialize in cloud hosting, meaning their support is often more tailored for users with complex cloud configurations. In both cases, support is solid, but Cloudways takes a slight edge if you're looking for deeper cloud-specific help. Then there's scalability. Cloudways wins hands down here. You can easily scale your hosting environment up or down based on your needs, and with top-tier cloud providers in the mix, you have better flexibility as your site grows. Hostinger scalability is more limited in comparison, especially if you're looking to scale beyond typical shared hosting needs. Now, let's talk about security. Both Cloudways and Hostinger have solid security measures in place. Cloudways offers a range of features like free SSL, two-factor authentication, and regular backups. Hostinger also provides free SSL, weekly backups, and robust protection against DDoS attacks. The main difference here is that Cloudways allows for more customization and security settings because it integrates with top-tier cloud providers who prioritize enterprise-level security. So, is Cloudways or Hostinger better for cloud hosting? Well, both are great options for different needs. If you're a beginner looking for affordable, easy-to-use hosting with solid features, Hostinger is a solid choice. But if you want the highest performance, scalability, and top-tier cloud infrastructure, plus the flexibility to customize your hosting environment, Cloudways stands out. However, if you're looking for a better solution that combines the best of both worlds, reliable performance and affordability, I've found a more fitting alternative. After trying all of them myself, I'd recommend you check out the first link in the description for a free trial. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else.